Hey, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this. We do have 400 watts of solar power in a portable case. Let's get started with the video. Thanks for watching again. This time we have the Ayahuman. Sorry, I'm really bad in pronouncing that. Ayahuman. Anyways, I think you get the part. You see the brand name up there. And this is a foldable and portable 400 watt solar panel. Yes, you heard it right. It is foldable, it's carryable, and so you can carry it. It has a handle, you can see it up there. And it does come with all wires needed. So let's get started with testing this. And I want to show you how you use it. So I'm here right now in the garage. It's closed because the sun is hitting against the garage door. So I want to use it, I want to test it, I want to see how much we can actually pull out of this. So that means this is what you get. Fairly heavy. These are the dimensions, and it does come with a nice pouch. When opening the pouch, you can see there is two sets of wires. Actually, there is the MC4 extension wires over here, and we have some adapters over here. Let me grab the adapters very quick. When it comes to the adapters, we can see there are multiple different adapters. The typically XT90 adapter, the small Anderson, I think they're also called Anderson adapter, and then we have those DC connectors, and all connect correct to the MC4 connectors, which comes out of this little junction box over there, back there. Additionally, it does come with small instructions, with this little pouch instructions, actually over here, and also comes with carabiners, so you can tighten it to some stakes, for example. Pretty cool, pretty nice, pretty neat. Those are the limitations, up to 36 volts, I believe. And let me set it up real quick, and then we can push it into the sun afterwards. Extension wire, you cannot do it wrong. Red to red, black to black, so there's only one side you can use. I'm closing this one. Then you can undo those clips over there. And then we can just unfold it. Yes, it is massive, and yes, by the way, you can use those straps. So, when you have it like this, next, as you can do, you can actually just fold out. Alright, next thing is I'll connect it to my MPPT charger, and I should have an app for that, so let me open it up and push it out and connect it. Alrighty, so here we are with our portable solar, and you can see it's pretty bright. Apologies for that, but I want to make sure that you can see they are in the sun. And you can see here also in the app we are getting 276 watts in currently, and we're talking about this one MPPT charger. Let me see if I can play around with the angle and whatnot to get it better. So they're pretty limited in terms of angle and everything else, so they have only one angle. You can actually do that. Just this one up. And this is only one angle you can do because the straps, how they built. You can lay it flat if you want to. We're getting 277 watt in. You can see it, it's 8.4 amps currently. That was nice actually to see. I will lay it flat in a little bit. Just want to let it run. Because maybe we're getting more. Maybe it's changing. It all depends on the sun and the angle. So also when we angle it more, because you can see the shade, maybe when we angle it more towards the sun, we might get more power in. We'll test this out in a second. You can see the shade better. It's still 278. As you can see, nothing more. I do like the fact that you can just pull it around a little bit. So there we are, 275. A little less. Still pretty cool. Impressed. I mean, it's not 400 watts. It's never 400 watts, to be honest. You can tell that the sun is changing. See the bending a little bit? So it might also have to do with the efficiency at the end. But they perform pretty well. They're huge, by the way. Those are the dimensions of it, just to give you some indication. All right, I'm curious what you say. So we are around 255 watts at the moment, depending highly on the sun, of course. And again, this is a screenshot. Didn't want to record it, but this is actually what it looks like with a MPPT charger from Victron. Given the 255 watts we're having here, or 278 best case so far, yeah, not bad. Let me lay it flat, see where we're at with that. So now everything is laying flat, and here we have 229. Definitely the angle will help, and that's proven angled, and it's also here is a picture of how you should do it. Anyways, this is the test I wanted to show you, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. Link in the description below. This is the efficiency, by the way, in case you want to get one of those. How do you feel about it? What else do you want to see? How would you use that? I'm really curious about that part. Thanks for watching. Cheers!